In today's Tire Showdown, we bring together two giants from the ultra-high performance segment. On one side, we have the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV, specifically tailored for high-performance SUVs, launched in 2019. On the other, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport, a 2020 entrant primarily targeting sports cars but also crossing into the SUV market with overlapping sizes. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV outperforms in braking, stopping 0.6 meters shorter than the Bridgestone Potenza Sport. However, when it comes to wet handling, the Potenza Sport slightly edges out the Michelin, with an average speed of 83.7 km per hour versus 82.1 km per hour. But the tables turn again in straight-line aquaplaning, where the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV holds its ground better, slipping at a higher speed than its rival. On dry tarmac, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport takes the lead, stopping 0.8 meters shorter in dry braking tests. It also maintains a marginal edge in dry handling, clocking an average speed of 107.5 km per hour, just ahead of the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV at 107.3 km per hour. When it comes to noise, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV is the quieter option, producing 70.4 decibels compared to 71 decibels from the Bridgestone Potenza Sport. In rolling resistance, the Michelin also outperforms, having a much lower coefficient value of 8.25 compared to the Bridgestone Potenza Sport coefficient value of 9.23. This indicates that the Potenza Sport has higher rolling resistance, which could lead to slightly less fuel efficiency compared to the Pilot Sport 4 SUV. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV shines in wet braking and fuel efficiency. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport excels in dry braking and wet handling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.